What's up, Dogecoin holders? So what's going on? Today video is going very important and very important for all holder, my friend, who want to get a very good profit and very short term. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to in those days absolutely some coin were falls down very badly, but in this time, my friend, I think, my friend, here is something going to be very good. There is a chance, my friends, so they will move upward. So therefore it's a very small chance, but definitely, my friend, it's a chance. So therefore I will just want to notify you, my friend. In those days, my friends, a lot of holders are come out, and just and only, my friends, check out, as you can see here, my friend, just and only check, my friend, the condition and absolutely the update and what holders are doing in those days. So everything with details, see now, and after that, my friend, you would need to take a decision, my friends, to which is going to be very good now. So my friend, in this time the price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing, but sometime, my friend, it's very badly fails down. So therefore I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to please, if Dogecoin will moving upward, so that's it, but if they are face down, so this is not set, my friend. So please, holder, my friend, in those days I think everything is going to be very good now, because, my friend, the king is coming soon. So Dogecoin holder, I hope to in upcoming time the price will be increasing, but please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel, and yes, my brother, also press the bell icon for video notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.